Hello! How are you today? I'm so excited to read with you. Today we're going to read Splish Splash Ducky. Yay! Are you ready? Yeah? Okay, let's begin. Splish Splash Ducky. Hello, I am Ducky Duckling. When I'm feeling happy, I say quack, quack, quack. Oh goody, hooray! It's raining today. I'm going to find my friends to play. Quack, quack, quack. Drip, drip, drop, I hop with frog. Quack, quack, quack. I like to squirm with wriggly worm. Quack, quack, quack. And hug for bug, and a hug for slug. Quack, quack, quack. Into the pond to play with the swans. Quack, quack, quack. Splish, splash, I swim with fish. Quack, quack, quack. We shake our feathers in the rainy weather. Quack, quack, quack. Drip, drop, blip, plop. Rain is funny on your tummy. Quack, quack, quack. Squeak, squeak, hide and seek. Quack, quack, quack. You see the little mouse? Oh no, the rain has stopped. No more drips, no more drops, no more quacking. I'm feeling sad. I think I'll go to see my dad. Cheer up, Ducky. Here comes the sun. Look at the butterflies having fun. Wow, look at the pretty butterflies. And the sun came out. Wow, look at those pretty butterflies. So different. So many colors. We'll quack together, whatever the weather. Hop on my back and quack, quack, quack. Yay! That was so much fun. We just read Splish Splash Ducky. Yay! Good job. Thank you so much for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye.